Hello children, I am Pooja Naik and welcome to my class. School is the only place where we can learn different things like various games, exercises, different subjects, languages, drawing, painting, singing, dancing, stories, etc. But this year, due to COVID-19, we are not able to come to school. Don't you feel like coming to school? Yes, I know you all are eager to come to school. Here is the story of some children from different places of our country who are facing difficulties to come to school. So, let us learn 4th standard EVS first chapter, that is going to school.
Now look at your textbook, page number 1. We can see there are some school children from Assam. Where they live, it rains so much. After the rain, there is knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop them from getting to school. They need to cross the bamboo bridge. Now you can see in this video, this is how it look like. They need to pass the bamboo bridge. They hold their books in one hand and bamboo with the other, and they quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach the school. This is how Assam children reach the school. Just before we have seen that how Assam people reach the school. Here students from Ladakh who use trolley to reach the school. The trolley is an open box made of wood. Every day Assam students have to cross the river to get the school. But the river is wide and deep. There is a strong rope across the river. On the both sides it is tied tightly with a strong tree or rocks. You can see in this picture, they were used a strong rope to tie. And the river is wide and deep, and 4 to 5 of children sit in the trolley, and a pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope, and they reach other side of the river in a short time. Pulley is an instrument, a wheel with a grooved rim, which is used to lift the weights. We all have seen the bridges. Bridge is the structure carrying road across the stream. Bridges are not only built over the river. It can be built over a busy road, railway lines, and canals so that the people can move easily. Here some children often need to go across some water bodies, so they use bridges. These are made up of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. Compared to bamboo bridges, these cement bridges are strong and stable. In some parts of Kerala, they use a vallam to reach the school. You can see in this video, vallam is a small wooden boat which is used in Kerala. Here students are going to school in vallam boat. Have you seen any other kind of boats? I have seen motor boats and that runs very fast. What all kind of boats you have seen, that you can write in your textbook. And also list out other ways by which we can travel on the water. Camel carts. Students from Rajasthan, they were using camel carts to reach the school. They live in a desert. There is a sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. They ride in a camel cart to reach the school. A desert is a region of land that is very dry. because it receives less than 10 inches of rain every year, and we can see sand everywhere. Temperature is also high. In this region, they use camel carts because camel can survive without food and water for long period of time, and it can withstand with the high temperature of desert, and also it can easily walk on the hot sand. So camel is called sheep of desert. Bullock carts. Here some children use bullock carts to go to school. In the village, bullock carts going slowly through the green fields. If it is too sunny or raining, they use their umbrellas. Basically, bullock carts used on the village in plains. So, it moves very slowly. Students sit in the cart. If it is rain or sunny, that time they use their umbrellas. Here these students are saying that they were using their bicycles on the long road to reach the school. At first girls here did not go to school because it was too far. But nowadays group of 7 to 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. Bicycle is very common that all of us have used it. Jugaad. It is a special type of transport. It sounds fut 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 when it runs. Is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. That means it looks something else from front and something else from back side. Here children are very happy to riding on this jugaad. You can see in this picture. You can see these vehicles in Gujarat. The jugaad has been made by putting together parts from the other vehicles or machines. For example, tires, engines, wooden parts of different things. So that is why it is called jugaad. Jugaad means putting together. Here the children from Gujarat, they were using jugaad to reach the school. There are some children, they need to pass the dense forest to reach the school. At some places it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through it. It is also very silent that you can only hear the different bird sound and sounds of other creatures. Have you ever been in the thick jungle or any such place? Okay, write your experience in your notebook. Moving on, snow. See how these children are going to school. They need to go to school through miles of snow. They hold their hands and they need to walk carefully because if the snow is soft, the feet may sink into it. When the snow is frozen, they may slip and fall. Rocky path. Here the students from Uttarakhand, they live in mountains. The paths are rocky and uneven. The children who live in plain will find it difficult to walk on these. But here these children can easily race up and down. Here we have completed 4th standard EVS first chapter going to school, and next class we shall study about the second chapter year to year. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.